In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in Airtable. If you're looking to organize your projects and tasks in a more structured way, this simple process will help you manage deadlines and keep on top of your to-do list. To begin, you'll want to choose a project from your workspace that you'd like to organize with a calendar. Think about which project would benefit most from time-based tracking. Once you have your project in mind, it's time to dive into the setup. On the left side of the screen, you'll see an option to create new. Go ahead and click on that, and then select the calendar option from the list that appears. This is the initiation point for transforming your project data into a calendar format. It's an exciting step as you're starting to visualize your projects on a timeline. Next, you'll be prompted to give your calendar a name. Naming is crucial as it will help you easily identify it among other views, especially if you manage multiple projects. After you've named your calendar to your satisfaction, click on Create New View. This will bring your calendar into existence, visually showcasing empty calendar slots ready to be filled. You'll then be asked to choose a date field to populate the calendar. If your project already has an established date field, select it from the options provided. However, if nothing seems to fit, you can create a new date field tailored to your specific needs. After making this decision, press Done to commit your choice. This will anchor your tasks and events to particular dates, making them easy to track. Once your calendar is set up, you can start adding tasks. Find the date you want to assign a task to and click on the plus symbol located on that specific date's box. This is where you will give your task a name, making sure it is descriptive enough to be instantly recognizable. It's a good practice to also select a project due date, ensuring that your workflow and deadlines are clearly managed. For further customization, every date allows for more settings adjustments. Just click on the Expand Record symbol to explore additional options. Here, you might find hidden fields that can be tailored to fit unique project requirements. Adjust these fields according to what makes sense for your project, and after tweaking these settings to perfection, simply press the X icon to close the window and return to your calendar overview. And there you have it. That's how to create a calendar in Airtable. This process not only helps you to visually manage your project timeline, but also streamlines your workload, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tips and insights. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.